Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate a table of values both automatically and manually using the TI83 calculator. So what I've done is I've entered a function right in here, y equals negative 2x squared plus 5, and we're going to use that function to generate a table of values. Now, just leaving everything on its automatic settings, you've got a table command up here above graph. So we do second graph, and we have a table of values. So starting at 0, where it's equal to 5, 1, where it's equal to 3, and so on, all the way down here. I can move backwards using the up key and get some negative values in there too. Alright, and you can see, you can get an idea of the symmetry about the y-axis here with these values. Alright, so this is just a general table of values. Okay. Now, if you want to change some of the parameters in this table, I can do second, and above the window button here is table set. Alright, and table set gives you a few things. You can choose your starting value. The default is 0. And you can choose, in particular, this little value right here, which gives you the delta, or the change, for x. Alright, so right now what I'm saying is x increases by 1. So I start at 0, go to 1, go to 2, go to 3, like that. But maybe, for what I want, I don't want to go up 1. Maybe I want to go up by 2, or I want to go up by 0.5. So let's put 0.5 in there. Alright, now when I go back here to the table, notice I'm going up by 0.5. So I've got 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, and so on, and the corresponding values over here. I can maybe ask to go up, instead of 0.5, maybe I want to go up by 3s for whatever reason. Alright, so I change that to 3, and I go back into the table, and notice now I'm going up by 3s. Okay. Same thing in the other direction. You can always get to the negative ones by going that way. Okay. Alright, so that's one possibility. You can change that value and change, let me start back at 0 here. Alright, and change the default increase in x. Alright, now I'm going to put that back to 1 just to get back to my defaults. Now the other thing you can do, which is kind of neat, is you can have the calculator ask you what value you want for x. So maybe you're doing an application where you have to plug in several values that are maybe a little odd or hard to calculate into a function. You simply go into your table setup, have your calculator ask you what you want. Alright, so I've got it set to ask. Now when I go back to the table, notice it's blank. Alright, so now it's asking me to input the x value. So let's say I want x equals 75. So I put in 75, hit enter. Notice what I get here. Right, x is 75, y is negative 11,245. Maybe I want to know what it is for negative 25. Right, so I put in negative 25. There's my value. Suppose I need some weird decimal, 2574. Okay, I can get that really fast. Alright, so this is a very, very quick way to do multiple x values for a function.